The Trump family's fortune has taken a dramatic hit, down more than $1 billion, as a string of high-risk cryptocurrency ventures tied to the Trump brand lose value. According to financial reporting, the family's net worth has slid from about $7.27 billion in early September to around $6.7 billion today, with the downturn largely driven by collapsing value in Trump-branded digital assets and related investments. The Bloomberg Billionaires Index attributes the sharp fall to the rapid decline in several Trump-linked cryptocurrencies and token projects. These investments, which surged earlier in the year, have lost substantial value over recent months, dragging down the overall financial standing of the US president and his family. At the height of the market excitement in September, the Trump's wealth had jumped by approximately $5 billion as their flagship crypto enterprise, World Liberty Financial, WLFI, launched trading and attracted massive investor interest. But that momentum has faded. The Trump-branded memecoin, Trump, has seen nearly a quarter of its value erased, while other speculative holdings tied to the family have also slumped sharply. For everyday investors who bought in at peak valuations, the losses have been even more brutal. People who purchased the Trump token at its highest levels earlier in the year would today have seen nearly their entire investment wiped out. The crypto downturn has also spilled over into the family's media ambitions. Trump Media and Technology Group, the parent company behind Truth Social, has seen its share value collapse to record lows. The president is the single largest stakeholder in the company, with his shares held in a trust managed by Donald Trump Jr. Since September, the value of that stake has dropped by an estimated $800 million, contributing heavily to the family's total loss. President Trump's second son, Eric Trump, has also taken a major financial hit. He owns roughly 7.5% of American Bitcoin Corporation, a publicly traded Bitcoin mining outfit. After market confidence evaporated, the company's stock price more than halved, cutting upwards of $300 million from the family's financial portfolio. Early investors who bought in when the company debuted are now looking at losses approaching 45%. Despite the sell-off and evaporating value across Trump-connected digital assets, Eric Trump remains upbeat. Speaking to financial reporters, he described the moment not as a crisis, but as a major opportunity, saying that people willing to buy on price drops and ride out volatility would ultimately come out ahead. He insisted he had never been more optimistic about the future of cryptocurrencies and about sweeping changes to the financial system. The situation marks a major reversal of fortunes. For a time, cryptocurrency and NFT ventures had outgrown the Trump family's long-established real estate empire, delivering billions in paper wealth after the president returned to office. However, many of these assets were highly speculative, and the recent downturn, which has erased around $1 trillion from the broader crypto market, has demonstrated just how fast inflated valuations can collapse. Some WLFI tokens, once worth around $6 billion, are now estimated at closer to $315 billion. And with some assets still locked and unavailable for trading, the true impact may not yet be fully reflected in official wealth estimates. The Trump family has built and lost fortunes before. But this latest downturn underscores the same lesson facing investors across the digital asset world. In cryptocurrency, fortunes can rise extraordinarily fast and fall just as quickly.